So there have been several different PSMA-targeted antibody-drug conjugates over actually a long time, more than almost 2 decades, or right around 2 decades now, where the initial ADC used the JF-1 antibody, but was old linker technology, and there was some efficacy, but there was toxicity. It fell off, the toxin fell off and caused neurotoxicity. And then there's been several more different generations, also with some issues. What we're presenting is a trial, actually there's 2 different posters. There's a trial in progress poster on what's called APEX-01, which I'll talk about, and then there's a preclinical poster on the drug itself from the company. I'm not part of that, just for people's education that's out there. The phase 1 clinical trial was designed as a typical phase 1 trial, semi-refractory population, although not every single drug was required, dose escalation. Was designed with 6 dose levels with the possibility of going higher. Some of the data has been released in a press release. I'm going to talk about that press release plus what's being presented in the poster. What's been presented in the poster is that we're now at dose level 8. So there was not a DLT or no MTD actually there haven't been DLTs at cohort 6, which is 2 milligrams per kilogram. We're now up to cohort 8, which is 2.9 milligrams per kilogram. And we'll see what happens with that. So officially, this is a trial in progress without data, and that's really the update that is there. And just a kind of a teaser, which is public, which is out there, that Ambrx had a press release a couple of months ago in February, so gave a little bit of information. So at that 6th dose level, the first 3 patients, there happened to be 3 out of 3 with at least 50% PSA decline, and 2 out of 3 had a 90% PSA decline. So it's really preliminary in terms of what we can really say about efficacy, and we're still escalating doses and expanding cohorts. But this ADC looks pretty promising against a validated target, which is nice.